So I'm just taking the lid off of the worm compost today. You can see some tiny little white worms, which are just the baby earthworms. That thing right there is a black soldier fly larva, and there's a few little fruit flies, and then skinny worms and fat worms, but we haven't started flipping it. But it looks like they've decomposed most of the food that was in here, and this is just newspaper there. So we're going to dump this out today and sort through it to harvest some vermicompost. So I'm just stirring it up a little bit here to see what the under layer looks like, and it looks like we have lots and lots of worms. Oh, they're moving. Oh, okay. Oh, gosh, it's stuck.
Okay, so today we're going to be extracting the castings from this vermicompost bin. And do that. We're going to flip it up first, look around in it a bit, and then we're going to stick them all here on this this here tarp. And we're going to make little piles of them. Or, yeah, piles of organic matter. So then, as the light keeps putting down these piles, the worms will shrink to the bottom of the piles to get away from the light, and the remaining part will be good to harvest. Okay guys, welcome back to another episode of worm unboxing, literally. Okay, so next we're going to be doing the part where we tip the bin over and make it into pyramids.
Oh, hey, there it goes.
There it goes.
Ooh, beautiful.
That is gross. Well, let's just stop it from looking so disgusting.
Come on.
Disgusting.
So this is newspaper here at the bottom, bedding.
Satisfying videos. Right.
Let's move that all off to the side. Will, don't mix it in. Oh, this part smells kind of like sewage. I don't think it's supposed to. I think it got a little overly wet.
Okay, this is the newspaper part.
Oh, I'm so glad I have gloves on. This smells... It didn't have any odor when we opened it. But this bottom part is kind of rotten. We're gonna...
You can say that again, Emily.
Okay.
We're gonna move one pile.
Here, I'll just... don't punch a hole in this. This is... I'm gonna keep all this bedding stuff over here.
Put it back at the end.
Yeah, we'll put it back. Okay, so now we can make this into pyramids. Ooh, Sarah, get up close. Look at all those worms. Oh, that's a pretty healthy worm population, I think.
Yeah, a lot. Ton of guys.
Ooh, there's a big nasty one. I don't like the big ones. The little ones are... Oh, it's okay. Something hit me. I'm scared.
I'm so hurt.
Well, you probably wanted... Do you want gloves?
Well, I can touch it, Emily.
Well, get your hand on in there then. That one right there.
Making pyramids?
So look at this. There's a worm ball.
Mom, please don't.
Oh, get a zoom up of that.
Yeah, get it.
Take a picture of that, Sarah.
And here's the eggshell, just for like
Close
reference. Eggshell. And the inside is completely full of castings. Just the shell.
Cool. Yeah, they're all in this newspaper.
They're all in it together. Get it?
Oh, look at those. Sarah, take a picture. Take a picture. Oh, that's got a big one. Are you taking a picture? Up close, like where it's really... Oh, that's a really big one.
It really does feel like I'm putting my hands through.
Poop.
Like the slimy.
I don't think it...
I wouldn't know.
It really should be a little drier than this. This is actually a little overly wet. We should have added a little more newspaper.
Here's a soldier fly larva.
Yeah.
Worm guy.
Okay. So I'm just removing some of the
Garbage.
the newspaper.
Oh, there's still. I'm
That's
making a
not
pile here.
decomposed.
But
That, yeah, you
This
can
is
make it
newspaper.
smaller.
I'm just getting some of the most nutritious stuff.
That does look like a pile of poop. It's kind of disgusting.
Reminds me of a game, Park Survival.
Okay, there's a nice little pile of worm goo.
William, don't you want gloves?
Not really, I've already touched it. It's not like it's gonna be dangerous to
Are
touch.
you still filming, Sarah? Ooh, get a picture of that one. Oh. He's running away.
Probably knows you're gonna try to kill him.
He needs to get back in this pile. Or else.
I'm gonna stick
this way.
uncomposted stuff. These aren't being broken down.
Yeah.
Just
Eggshells
pull
take a
them
long
out.
time.
Oh, they will be eventually.
Yeah, they will. Oh,
Saying this is a pile.
that's funny, yeah. So we kind of do like
a little bit of
this.
nice clothes on. It.
Okay.
So we want to get them pyramids or just piles.
Kind of like a pyramid, but it's a pile essentially.
This is cool looking.
I don't know if you're supposed to like mold it into a
Ta-da!
shape.
Play-Doh the second.
Sarah, I guess I'd like to get a couple worm close-ups.
Alright, so we got the piles ready. As you can see, we have 14 piles, I think.
Okay.
Yeah, 14 piles of stuff, and each one is made to be a pile, so they can be piles. That's what it says you should do. But also because I guess it's whatever.
I think we need to start over this one.
Oh.
You want to put them in?
I have picture. I have
What about-
picture. I have picture.
On video. So now we have put the rest of the castings and worms back in here for them to continue to break down. We have a layer at the bottom of newspaper for their bedding, and then put the worms, and I put a little bit more new food, and then we have about 3 or 4 inches of newspaper on the top that is dampened with water. So now they're set to continue on.